I got a job in the valley, but today I didn't go. I need a day off, but the boss says hell no.
Hey, a sweaty intro. Welcome back. The sun is setting. Sort of what I eat in a few days. I'm working my way up to be able to make it what I eat in a week. So we should be able to get like 5 or 6 meals in. So that'll be a good start. I just worked out. I'm gonna make a little protein smoothie, run to the grocery store, get just like a few items, and then make dinner. Not so satisfying that this just fit exactly in the jar. Love that. Ooh, this is a good smoothie. Alright, we're gonna assemble. I have cold vermicelli noodles in here. Cabbage. I just eyeball everything. I'm not a recipeer. Cabbage. I would say like a pretty good handful of cabbage. I feel like that's like the second base to the salad. I did peeled little slivers of cucumber, carrot. So good. Yellow pepper slices, some like spicier little peppers, herbs. So I did a mix of cilantro, mint, and basil. I feel like herbs are what brings everything together. Look how good this looks. Oh. And then I'm just gonna add tofu on the side, add the peanut sauce. I probably won't be able to finish all of this right now. So I'm gonna pull out a portion and then add the peanut sauce. So good. Okay, good morning. I thought I would pop in here and tell you about Ritual, today's sponsor, which is my daily multivitamin company that I've been using for years now, long-term partner. I love them, let alone being cruelty-free, vegan, sugar-free, gluten-free, GMO-free. I really like how they focus on just filling in the gaps in your diet. So they focus on their 9 high-quality nutrients from D3, omega-3, iron, B12, things that are most likely to be missing from your diet. They refer to it as decluttering the multivitamin, which I love. It really breaks down the things that you actually are most likely to need and not all of the other stuff. And a big point, it comes in their no nausea capsule, which is like a minty flavor, and it makes it so you don't feel nauseous when you take them. I also really like how they are transparent on where their nutrients are sourced from, so you can see that all on their website, and their packaging is 100% recycled, which is great. They also offer a men's multivitamin, a 50+ prenatal, postnatal, and teen vitamins, and it's delivered right to your door. It breaks down to be about $1 a day. They're offering you all 10% off your first 3 months. Just go to ritual.com/WIL10 and use the code WIL10. If you want to check them out, definitely recommend. Have been using them for a very long time and I love them. everyone, it's been a day, okay? So we are gonna make, since I made a nice dinner yesterday, I'm gonna show you some real things. I went grocery shopping hungry. I haven't had hash browns like this in so long. I'm gonna make hash browns. Heat up some tofu from dinner last night that's left over. Maybe eat some oranges, have some snacks, and that's gonna be dinner tonight. Okay. Literally so quick. That dinner just took me 5 minutes, which is nice. Can't knock it, honestly. I haven't done a breakfast for dinner. Oh, there's the hair. I haven't done a breakfast for dinner in a while. When it starts getting warmer, something in me just wants a little cold brew. Also, this feels good on my puffy face. This also reminds me of last March when quarantine first started and Isabel and I were in our apartment and we couldn't get groceries. Like, it was so chaotic. So whenever there was a slot available for delivery, we would just like go ham on the most random things, like so much frozen food. That was so wild how much frozen food I ate in 2 months. But we'd always get cold brew, and it was like we would savor it because we would usually run out of the cold brew before we'd be able to get another like slot for grocery delivery. We'd have to ration the cold brew. And this really reminds me of that time, which I do feel almost slightly nostalgic for, which is very weird. Oh no, why am I having such bad luck in this video? Looks like one of the containers popped open. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do a little grocery haul because you hit a good timing of my Wally shop order came and my Farm to People box came. So I have some good food delivered to me. There's so much construction around me constantly. It's kind of driving me wild, so I hope that doesn't annoy you. There's nothing I can do about it because it's constant and never ending all day long. Sriracha update. Potatoes. These are all part of my farm box, so they kind of send whatever is like seasonal and like in stock for them each week. Apples. Here we got Brussels sprouts. I love these. I love Brussels sprout salads. That's what I'm definitely gonna make with those. I got some zucchinis to make zucchini pasta. I've really been just like, with weather change, I've been wanting to eat just like, I think a lot healthier foods because that's what my body has been thinking about the most. Or just feels good eating lighter foods. Broccoli rabe. This will be really fun to cook, just like with garlic. So good. I got some tomatoes. I'm gonna roast these. Autumn greens. Mushrooms, always, every week. Fun stuff. Okay, I got some fun stuff. I got Ithaca Dill Hummus. Love. The day I figure out how to make good hummus at home is the day that my life starts. I got this little petite pot vegan chocolate pudding. The little jar is really cute. I would be lying if I didn't just want this for the jar. This Susie seitan is so good on sandwiches. These are my favorite, the spicy ramen sesame noodles. You've seen me make these all the time. And I tried this, I've never had this before. It's a plant-based goat cheese. Cute. I'm not mad. Like, I think for a second, if I didn't know that it was plant-based, I would think it's some type of fermented cheese. It's very tangy though, which I like. Okay, I'm not mad at this. The aftertaste definitely is sunflower seeds, but I like sunflower seeds. That's it for that. And then from Wally's shop, I just kind of stocked up on some things I was missing in my pantry. I got like a neutral oil for cooking, balsamic vinegar. I got some almonds because I feel like I like having almonds to snack on from time to time. I got their short grain brown rice, which is my favorite rice. Hazelnuts and the cocoa powder that exploded on everything, so I can make a vegan Nutella. Garlic powder. This vegan brownie mix, which I thought was really cool. You can order this in bulk. Sushi rice, brown sugar, and sugar. So basically with Wally Shop, you just send back all of the little packaging that comes with it, which is great. I use them from time to time. Really nice to have over the course of COVID is these nice online thoughtful places to get groceries. This is a lot of food for me to eat, but it'll last me a while, so I'm excited. Okay, I think I'm gonna end this here because my meals are probably gonna be repeats of just eating leftovers, so not much more to show you for now. I hope you enjoyed this one. I'll try to get more recipes and stuff into each video because I think that's better that way. As always, don't base what you're eating off of what someone else is eating. This is just for recipe inspiration. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Definitely check out Ritual if you're in the vitamin market. You can get 10% off your first 3 months with my code 10WHERE. I'm gonna leave you here and I'll see you in the next one.